I slept and woke up this morning, and God gave me a message for someone, and it is to scale up. To scale up means to elevate your game, while scaling up is the key to unlocking your full potential in life. Are you feeling stuck? Are you tired? Are you feeling stuck in a rut, like you are not living your full potential? You don't know where to start from. The answer lies in scaling up. It's time to take your life, your business, and your goals to the next level. Why are you scaling up? One, it will bring about an increased impact. In other words, by scaling up, you'll be able to reach more people, make a greater impact, and leave a lasting legacy. Of course, life is all about creating a legacy. Another advantage of scaling up is improved efficiency. While you scale up, it forces you to streamline process. You eliminate waste and optimize your resources, which then leads to greater and increased productivity and profitability as a human being. Do you know that as a human, you have a value? Scaling up enhances your credibility. As you scale up, you will establish yourself as an authority in your field, earning the respect and trust of your peers and audience. This is one of the greatest advantages of scaling up. It gives you greater freedom. It provides you the financial freedom to pursue your passion, travel, and live the life of your own terms. How do you scale up? One, you have to set ambitious goals. Define what scaling up means to you and set specific, measurable, relevant, and time-bound, as well as smart goals. You have to develop a mindset, because you need a mindset to scale up. Out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaketh. The hands move, the legs move, and as well the heart makes choices. Another way to scale up is to invest in yourself. You have to acquire new skills, acquire new knowledge and expertise to stay ahead of the curve. The curve is talking about life. That point where everybody meets. Yes, you need that particular skill, to stand out. Another way to scale up is to build a strong team. Surround yourself with talented, motivated, and like-minded individuals who share your vision. It is often said that show me your friend and I'll tell you who you are. You have to also leverage on technology. You have to harness the power of technology to automate your processes, increase your efficiency, and reach a wider audience. This is the utmost goal of scaling up. You have to also note that scaling up is not about growing your business or increasing your income. It's about unlocking your full potential, making a meaningful impact, and living a life of purpose and fulfillment. So what are you waiting for? It's time to elevate your game, scale up, and achieve greatness. Take that first step today. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and share this video.